It carries a firepower greater than half the Star Fleet. Its defenses are designed around a direct, large-scale assault.
Fleet. Our target, the Death Star. We structured our path around points here and here. This is where our enemy is most concentrated. This is also the foci of our hyperbolic route, so we may never come in contact with it.
What exactly are foci?
The foci, these points shown here and here in the pink circles, can be found by adding the C value to the center along the transverse axis. So from here to here and here to here is the C value.
What is the C value?
To find the C value of a hyperbola, we use the equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now for our Death Star, the a value is 8 and the b value is 6. This is because the 8 is along the transverse axis, while the 6 is along the conjugate axis. So with our equation, we get 64 plus 36 equals 100, when squared is 10. So from here to here is 10, and that is how you find the C value.
So with all of that, how are we going to destroy the Death Star?
We'll be flying along this route from here and here, while Gold Team flying along this hyperbolic route. We will travel along the transverse axis 8 galactic units until we reach the center of the Death Star. There, we will discharge but 2 missiles into a 2-millimeter hole, which will destroy the Death Star.
Torpedoes.
That's impossible, even for a computer.
But it's not impossible. I used to bullseye womp rats in my T-16 back home.
How do you escape the blast?
Star's unique design, the explosion will channel along this trench where it will be released and will not extend past the asymptotes of our hyperbolic path of travel. As long as we are here and here, our fighters will not be destroyed.
What is the equation of the asymptote?
In order to find the equation for the asymptote, first we must find the slope. Since this is a left-right horizontal hyperbola, the slope is going to be our b value over our a value. If it was an up and down vertical hyperbola, it would be our a value over our b value. Once we find the slope, it is only a matter of plugging the information into point slope form with our center as y1 and x1.
Yeah, let's go! Why didn't I pay attention in math class?